So guys, I just want to show you the before so that I can show you the after we clean up. So we were painting and... Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Nafula. If you've not subscribed to my channel, I highly recommend that you subscribe. But if you've already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you for subscribing and thank you for watching my videos. And as you can see, our kitchen is in a mess. So we have to clean the kitchen. So I just wanted to show you the before and then we'll look at the after. So I'm just cleaning the kitchen and then I finish and then I'm gonna clean the last room and then we'll be done for the cleaning. So you see guys, it's a lot of work. So hosting is not easy as people think. So sometimes you just have to do it. Like if you hire somebody, they don't show up, so you just end up doing it. So, and I did it the first time and I'm like, well, I'm doing a better job than the people I get or hire to clean. So why not clean myself? So that's why I'm cleaning. So when we finish this room, it's gonna be very clean, this kitchen. Now we are done with cleaning the kitchen and it looks really clean. So let's look at it. Our stove. Have a little microwave there, a rice cooker. And then look at our sink. It was really dirty, but now look at it. Very clean. So we're ready for a new guest. That's the room that we have to fix. Put some furniture in there. And then this is the fridge. We'll still have to clean that, but then look at how big it is. See that?